the NASDAQ chart itself provides a, I would say, less clearly bullish structure than the S&P 500 and the ES chart. So I put that into one of the written updates on Discord earlier this week, or last week it was, that I'm definitely cautious because of this, because the NASDAQ hasn't even broken above the 88.7 retracement here. And the move up looks like a very clear three-wave move so far. And we can call the move up quite comfortably already complete. Long-term top in July. But until support levels break, I will not confirm a major top. It just means that it just seems weaker than the S&P 500. But also here, we can watch for higher prices in the yellow scenario. So I've specifically highlighted here one more high. And as long as we are printing higher highs and higher lows on this chart, I am, I would not want to confirm a top. And it's all about staying in the trend as long as it's sort of reasonable to do so or easy to do so. So there is a bearish count, which is this ABC structure. But even here, the C wave would ideally reach the 100% extension. So I still want to keep the door open for higher. I might change my view if the market breaks below 19,820, 19,840, which is the October low. But the 100% extension, which is, the 100% extension of the initial AB structure here, in the white count, AB. This is a typical target for a C wave. Now it hasn't reached it. Does it need to reach it? No, not necessarily. Bear in mind, B waves can overshoot. But it just doesn't have that same look as the S&P, even though the structure isn't very easy to interpret. From a more bullish point of view, yes, I mean, we can also in the C wave, and that's what I have on the S&P or something similar on the S&P chart, that we say, maybe this is a 1-2 setup and we're doing this, which could then send us way into the 22,000 region. So bottom line is, the white count is a risk. Let me just change the color. The white count is a risk, but it's not confirmed yet. Also, in this case, if we talk about the yellow scenario, that wave 2 is a bit shallow, right? A bit too shallow to be reliable. But then in this case, the invalidation point is clearly defined. It's the October low. Okay, so that's the invalidation point for the directly bullish scenario. Any break below it will definitely indicate we could have put a major top in place. At least we have to consider it. If then the 18,370 level breaks as well, we have further confirmation. So that's my view about the NASDAQ. Let me know if there are any questions. So that's the update about the NASDAQ. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.